Well, welcome back guys, and you join me in a garage, and you're probably correct in thinking Dave doesn't have a garage. And what I'm doing here is this is my mum's garage. So as you know, Oscar lives on my drive in a carcoon, and you know, that's kind of the best that I've had for a while. My mum's garage is predominantly for storage and stuff in here, like DIY stuff and things like that. But what we're going to look to do is create a space in here where I can have a workbench and tool storage, and still factor in everything that my mum needs, but also try and help out so I can do some work on Oscar through the winter months, because that's kind of where we're really sort of struggling at the moment. So my friend Sol, shout out to Sol, has given me some racking, which is this sort of classic blue stuff with the chipboard shelves. So I'm going to start and put that up. I need to figure out actually how to put it up, because there's many bits. And what I'm thinking is the racking will probably go down this side. So we're going to clear out these big drawers, consolidate down, try and get rid of some stuff, and then put the blue racking up against this thing here. What we have got in here are these breeze block walls. There's a bit that kicks out there and a bit further down. So I'm wondering whether we can get shelves in across there, and then obviously get some high level storage up there, maybe that sits sort of just above the blue rack, but we'll see. Bench in here somewhere, but plan is clear this side, clear the top off, clear these out. Walls, I'm thinking black, and then we'll probably do back wall here, white, keep the brick on this side because the brick looks really nice, and just try and make it a nice place to be filming in, and doing some work on Oscar. So like I've said before, you know, pull the Dizzy out, get it in the vise, put the electronic ignition in, and do anything else really that needs that I can do off the car and in here. So things like spray painting, any parts and stuff like that. So there's loads of stuff that we could pull out and put on a bench. So it'd be really good. So this is kind of just a bit of an update really on what I'm working on. I don't think we're going to get too far today now. But yeah, first job's clear the top. A couple of tip runs, already done one in the trusty Yaris. So yeah, we'll get this cleared. We've got all this spare wood here, which is what I'm thinking maybe make some shelves out of and make use of that, because it's too good to throw away. And up here as well, there's a massive bit of timber. Yeah, this bit of timber here is very big. So I think that'll be nice to use. And then we've got some other bits up there as well we can have a look at. But I think generally speaking, anything that we can recycle would be brilliant, because we don't really want to be throwing anything away that, you know, is good to go. And then down on this side, I think what we'll probably do is just clear this stuff out, see how much space we can get. Obviously, the need to keep things in here as well, so like the lawnmower needs to stay there. So I think this side almost stays as is, and it's just going to be this section over here where we make some improvements, paint it up, get the bench in there, get some other storage in. I don't know if you've seen it, I'll put some on the screen, but the garage furniture from IKEA is chef's kiss. So I'd really like to go for that, but it's really expensive. So I think we'll see first. I'll use the shelving that Sol gave me, get that put up, maybe make a makeshift bench or a cheaper one to start with, and then have a look at what else we could get in here. But so there's also this bit of wood that I've just found as well, which is laying across here, and I think that's going to make a really lovely workbench top. So I think we found what that's going to be used for. Don't know about this bit. So that's chunky and thin and narrow, and might get cut up and put into the fire pit, but that bit definitely could be a worktop. We've got this as well, which is more like your classic sort of chipboardy laminate worktop that you get. So I think that'll probably end up going in the bin, and we'll use this because it's really nice. So with this top clear now, you can kind of see that we've got these brick pillars here and one here that I think if we play it right, we could probably get some nice shelving up in between those. And I think using that these bits of wood that are over here would actually worked pretty well. The other bit is I've got to figure out if I can find something to use this for with this big monster, which I'm not sure. But yeah, it's already starting to see a bit more space now up there at least. So then that means then we can start focusing on clearing out these big things and getting the shelves up. Well guys, I'm back home now. It was getting a bit chilly in the garage, so I've shot back here just to finish up, but going really well clearing out. So you probably saw in the video we got that top section clear. Next bit is to tackle those drawers. So over the coming weeks I'll be putting up some videos about the garage update just so you can see how we're getting on. So there'll be the general clear up, which will hopefully get finished over the next week, and then it's going to be a case of decorating, getting the new gear in and getting it set up ready to go. So really looking forward to sharing it all with you. So if you're enjoying all the content that we're putting out at the moment, Liam's bashing out loads at the minute, please do drop a like and subscribe on the channel. It means the world to us, and catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.